Hey everybody, welcome to the pop-up studio. I know I haven't been here in a while. It's me, Matthew Reinhart. Can you believe it? I'm a pop-up book creator, children's book author, and illustrator, and I want to welcome you to my channel. I want to welcome you to my studio. It's looking a little bare. I'm going to explain all that. So I've been very busy and I have not been able to share with you on YouTube. I've had a lot of things going on in my personal life, in my work life, mostly good. At the end of a week or the day, I don't have the creative energy to make videos. So oftentimes I just don't have the time. I'm sorry that I've been gone for so long and I've been kind of quiet. First off, I'm going to tell you what was going on. Life stuff. We're moving. We're moving. So we are moving back to the East Coast. We live in West Hollywood right now. My partner has to move back to New York area for work. And so, I can be anywhere, right? Like I can make pop-ups. I could make pop-ups in Alaska. I could make it in Australia. Oh, that'd be fun. I could make pop-ups anywhere, right? I can work remotely. So we have to go back to the East Coast. We're moving to Montclair, New Jersey. We currently live in West Hollywood in California. We love California. I love California. It's really interesting. Very much feel a part of this city, LA. It's a wonderfully diverse city. It's like got so much entertainment, so many museums, so much culture here. The people are wonderful and nice. Yeah, look, LA isn't perfect by any means, but I really enjoy it. We enjoy it, but we have to go. So we're going back to the East Coast, but we don't want to live in the city. We have a dog now. I think I've shown you a little. So we want to have space. So we're moving to Montclair, New Jersey, a little bit bigger space. I have a nice new studio. So that's why you don't see any Transformers back there because I've already started packing. We're going to be moved out by mid-December or so. But I like to get started early on my packing for my toys. I'll be honest, I was really depressed about the move this summer and I just didn't feel like sharing. It was a really hard thing to kind of get my mind around because we love Los Angeles. I love the weather here. I love the people here. I love the culture here. Don't get me wrong. Like I love New York. We lived in New York I lived there for 24 years. That was pretty much my adult life started in New York City. So I'm very much a New Yorker in that way, but I just can't live in Manhattan again. I mean, I love it, but I need some space. Look, you get older. I'm 54 years old. Can you believe that? Oh my God, I can't believe I'm saying that. We don't want what we used to want when we were younger. When I was young, like I loved being in the city. I wanted to be on, into everything, go out all night, do all that stuff. Oh, did I do things? Trust me. But I don't want that anymore. And so we're going to move to a nice place in Montclair. It'll be close to the city, so we'll get some of that New York, but then, be able to be away from it. I was excited about the move, but I wasn't at first. And so I just didn't feel like sharing. And also this summer, we were really, really busy with work. Right now, I have Reinhardt Pop-Up Studios, which is an imprint at Inside Editions. Check out all the books that we have there. And we've got some big ones coming this fall. And it's really fall, winter. Right before Christmas, we got a big one coming. Wicked, the ultimate pop-up book. This one is awesome. I can't show you too much yet because I got to get permission. It is another big pop-up map book. And it has all these spreads with the different places within the land of Oz. So there's like Emerald City and Munchkin Land and Kiamoko. That's the big castle where the Wicked Witch is. All these different places, and it becomes a map, but it's also a pop-up book. I'm really proud of it. The artwork is by Rui Ricardo. I mean, he's incredible. So I'm always honored to work with him. The artwork for that book and for Avatar, which is also coming out this winter after the big movie. This is James Cameron Avatar, and it's the ultimate pop-up of coming out probably in January. The artwork came in early in the summer. And so I was just, what I have to do at that point when the artwork comes back from the artists and it's okay. See, that's a lot of the issue. Sometimes when it has to go to Disney or it has to go through, NBC Universal or whatever, there are a lot of approvals that need to be made. Oh, this character doesn't look right. We should change the color of this. When the artwork came in, I had to like chop up all the artwork pieces digitally and put them on the pop-up pieces and then build prototypes and make sure everything was just right. So it was very busy. I just didn't have the time for videos, and I'm sorry I couldn't share more. We also have like 3 or 4 little projects that are happening, some other big things that just have taken up all my time. The other projects that are going on, okay, so we have all of our imprint projects, but like my dream project is coming. I'm working on a young reader series that is kind of hysterical, historical fiction kind of thing. I'm keenly interested in history from the cultural aspect. Like I love learning about the everyday things. What does it like to be a person living at the time? I'm less interested in like dates and the big names and all that. I like to learn about like what was it like to live there? What the food tastes like? What the music sound like? Those things really interest me. That's what's pulled me into enjoying history more. So Lawson is a character that I've created. I'm co-authoring with Adam Rosenbaum. He's a brilliant writer. His first book was The Ghost Rules, so you should check that out. Anyways, maybe we'll put a link down below. We'll put links down below. So I'm working with Adam on this new series of books. Lawson is this fun character. He's a kid who has this special ability. He's able to travel through time and be a kid from the past and learn what it's like and have to survive and have an adventure, all that sort of stuff. So we're working on that, and it's hard, because it's a different sort of thing than I'm usually working on. Usually I'm doing pop-ups and, they're these big things and they, come out of they're all this stuff. But this time I'm illustrating and co-writing with Adam, and it's a totally new thing. It's really exciting for me because as an artist, like I think it's really important to stretch, explore new avenues, and evolve. And sometimes you might fail when you evolve, and sometimes you might succeed. And so I'm going to try. I'm really excited about these books, and I'm going to share a lot more with you over the next year as we're working on them. And then the imprint that I'm doing with Inside Editions, I'm working on like 5 or 6 books at once. And this is what we're like at the end of the day. I want to lock out, I want to log out. But I didn't mean to scream. We're back. We're back. We're gonna try to have weekly craft and or masterclass videos. I know everyone likes the masterclass videos the most. And so they're hard for me because I have to think about explaining why I do something. But I do enjoy them. They're fun. So we're going to get back into making those and more like paper crafts. And I think we might do like pop-up book reviews as well. I would really love to interview more paper engineers and other children's book authors and illustrators as time passes, because I just like having conversations. And if you have ideas, hey, let me know down below what you'd like me to do. But anyways, that's kind of where we're at. That's what's going on with Lawson happening, along with all my pop-up books that are coming up in the future, because there's more coming up beyond Avatar, beyond Wicked, which, by the way, why don't I show you? I mean, I just had a release recently last month that I didn't even get to talk about. What's Up, Superman and Friends. This is a really super cute board book from Abrams, Appleseed, and it is super simple for little hands, but they're a little bit tougher pop-ups that you can pull. There's pull tabs and stuff like that. What's cool about this book, and I know you're looking at it like, Matthew, this isn't your usual thing. This book also turns into the Hall of Justice. So maybe we'll show the video real quick. It actually opens up into a giant like sort of display, and also you can enjoy it like a book. So this is with Abrams Appleseed. We'll have a link down below. This just came out and really fun. Sorry, I didn't do more video about it. Maybe I will do a video talking about the making of that. But also, let me show you. This is Wicked, the ultimate pop-up book. Look at that art. Rui is just amazing. You may have seen, it has a magnet on the spine because it opens up and it becomes a giant map. Ooh, look at that. Isn't that cool? So that's all I can show. I can't show it to you yet, but I will have videos showing the making, and we may have a Wicked inspired craft. We may coming paper craft coming up very soon. Oh, and I can't show you. Well, I can't show you it because I don't have a copy, but this is all I have of Avatar because they took my color copy. But let's just say there are a lot of big pop-ups inside. I wonder what that could be. Oh, let me show you a peek too. Oh, that library pop. So this is just an early color version. And it's just, pull out, lift the flaps, stuff like this on some of the pages. These are actually pull-out cards. They're actually trading cards with different creators. And this one's fun. You can actually open it up and it shows you different things. So we love that. And then there's a big pop-up at the end of the library itself. This is the Los Angeles Central Library downtown. I'm looking at, there's also the edition. So it's a really cool pop-up. This is very, very limited. This will be out 26 June, I think, and only at the library. So we're doing a lot of different projects. There are a lot of small projects and big projects coming. I can say that there might be something. So I worked on one type of avatar. There's another very famous avatar, an airbending avatar that I'm working on a book right now with Nickelodeon, and it is so much fun. I forgot how great that series was. So we're working on that. We have several other projects, and remember that 2027. Wonder what is that a 50th anniversary of something really important? What could that be? So there's a lot of other things going on here at the studio course, I'm working on, other big pop-ups, little pop-ups, and I want to share it with you. And I'm finally back in the right headspace. So I'm no longer depressed about moving back to myself. And I'm also like, I'm a little calmer about everything that's going on. I've sort of, everything is settled in. Everything is sort of planned now, so I feel a little bit more at rest. I'll tell you a little bit about me. Okay, so I moved a lot growing up. My dad was in the Navy. We moved all over the place. Now, my sister didn't move as much as me, but I moved a lot. I probably moved before I was a teenager, I think about 8 times when I was a little kid. So even though a couple of them I never felt because or remember because I was a very, very young child, I lived in probably about 6 or 7 different places. Yeah, before my teens. And I don't like moving unless I have to move, unless I want to move. And so, because this wasn't necessarily a move I wanted to do, it brought up a lot of stuff from when I was a kid that about moving. And so, I wasn't in the right mindset to be online and sharing with you. And I didn't want to be fake and be out here fake and going like, everything's great. I love it. So, anyways, that's all there is. So, I want to thank everyone for being patient with me. I want to again apologize that I was gone for so long, but I really needed the time. Thank you for, checking this out and sticking around. Could you do me a favor real quick? If you could hit that like and subscribe button down below, I really appreciate it. But you don't have to if you don't want to. And I love your feedback. And I know I've been away for a while, so any new feedback, Matthew, you stink. Share more about your life. Do this kind of pop-up or show us how to make this kind of paper craft or tell us the process behind things. I'm happy to do that. Just tell me in the comments below. I read them and I'll let you know. And I think we're going to also have some giveaways because I have a ton of books I got to give away before I move. I thank you for your feedback. I thank you for your patience. And I want to tell you that I love you all for being here with me on YouTube. Thank you. So this is Matthew Reinhart. That's me. Saying, be kind to a stranger. Remember to think creatively because sometimes, maybe get some advice, talk to somebody else, and remember to always keep it popping. Bye-bye.